What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today I am giving you my final thoughts on the CANIK METE SFX. So the CANIK METE SFX is a full size, I think it's 5.1 inch barrel, entry to competition style pistol. Now this is optics ready, because you know that. It came with the flare magwell that you can add. It's got a ported slide to reduce weight. And I've been out here filming with it all morning. And I just want to give my last few thoughts on it. Let's see how we rock out. We about 10 yards out. Lock open, but the firearm is clear. So, based on one of my other training videos that I shot today, I'm being real cheap, and we just shooting at a piece of cardboard. That's real training. You'll feel me. Sometimes you got to get gutted and get it in. This is an accurate pistol, right? This may look bigger on camera than what it is, but this is not a huge piece of cardboard. If that was a target, that grouping would be really tight. It could be tighter, but being honest, I'm not really used to shooting full-size firearms. The CANIK METE SFX is got a real smooth trigger once you get past all that take-up. A lot of people have asked me to shoot the CANIK Rival. They were like, that's the next gun you guys want to see. But I haven't bought it yet because I haven't put 1,000 rounds through the METE. And Smart Shooter Standard, if you guys watch the videos, is we always put 1,000 rounds through a gun before we buy another one, if we have a gun that serves the same purpose as the new gun. The CANIK Rival is a competition style pistol as well, so it wouldn't make sense to buy the Rival if I haven't put 1,000 rounds through the METE SFX. Now granted, I don't think I'm gonna keep my METE SFX. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell it. The gun is definitely worth it. I'm definitely happy with the performance. I'm curious to see how the Rival performs, because the CANIK Rival, they say got rid of all that excess take-up. The only complaint I have about CANIKs on their triggers is the initial trigger pull has a ton of take-up to me. Once that trigger breaks, as long as you're pulling on that reset, you can shoot as fast as you want to shoot. But that trigger take-up is just too much for me. So I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna get busy and run some drills and have some fun. And we gonna see how much we really enjoy this METE. This is probably gonna be our last time shooting it. I'm gonna pack it up, get ready to see how much I could get for it, and probably put that money on the Rival. So let's get into it. By the way, it's Black History Month. Happy Black History Month. Black History Month is very important to me because with Smart Shooters, with being an entrepreneur, breaking generational curses, with establishing wealth for my bloodline, I definitely am Black History. And like I tell my kid, my oldest, and will teach my youngest, it's not enough to just know Black history anymore. You gotta be Black history. You gotta build something and establish something that contributes to the greater good of everybody else. All right? There go my little speech for today. Let's jump into this training. Well, that's it, man. Just a little light workout with the Mete SFX. This gun was worth it. I don't know why they came out with the rival so fast, but all I can tell you is this is worth it. This is definitely worth the money. That being said, it's YouTube life. I can't keep them all as much as I would like to financially. It just don't make sense yet. I do have the CZ Shadow 2 and the Tactical Sport 2 by CZ, so it doesn't make sense to keep the Mete SFX when I already have competition style guns. But I did just want to wrap up. If I was to give this a score, right? Working on a smart shooter scoring rubric. If I was to give this a score though, I definitely would give it probably about an 8 out of 10. Okay. 8 out of 10. The things I really like about the gun is the way it feels in the hand. At first I thought with the way the grip narrows out, I thought that would be an issue for me. Turns out it's not really an issue at all. And as I kind of mash down my grip a little bit, the way this back plate feels in the palm of my hand is just really comfortable. I feel like it's just enough texture where it doesn't allow the gun to slip as I'm shooting. I do love the ambidextrous slide release. I have a habit on all my firearms. When I release the slide release, I get one finger on both sides and do it like that. So that definitely helps me out there. It's a real great shooting gun. Even as I was training, there were some shots that I knew were sloppy, but if I was shooting at an actual silhouette, I actually would have been on target with my shot still. Very accurate gun. I love the sights that it came with. This is the first time I really took it out without the red dot on it. I was running it with the Hollow Sun 507 KX2. Took that off, ran just iron sights. The iron sights are lovely. So, all in all, this is a great gun. If I was to give any takeaways, the biggest thing I would take away points for is that it can only use the concealed carry red dots, not really the full size red dots. It only takes like RMR CC size red dots. So it worked because my 507K is that size, but I wish it took full size red dots and could still keep the iron sights. But they did co-witness well when I ran the 507K. So not really too many complaints there. And then I know people are about to bitch, but shut up. Okay? I still think this is a ton of take up before you hit the wall. There's the wall. Did you see how much it traveled? This is a ton of take up. Then once you hit the wall, the trigger finally breaks. But you dang near get that point right back because that reset is phenomenal. And if you shoot on the reset, like I said, you'll be good to go. Gun was great. I'm gonna trade it in, see how much I can get for it for the rival. Hopefully, that most gun shops around my side of town, they only do half of MSRP on trade-in. So We'll see how that works out. And then the rival review will be coming soon. So if you're looking for the rival, I got y'all, all right? Let me know in the comments if I should get the light one or the dark side. I have access to both, so let me know which one I should get. And until next time, if I showed you any value in this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you check out our membership subscription service. Make sure you check out that membership subscription service. Right, you want to take online classes with me, $4.99 a month. Aspiring instructors want to become an instructor, get the ins and outs of the business, learn from my mistakes as a starting instructor, $9.99 a month. Tap in with us. Make sure y'all go get some Smart Shooters merch, right? I don't do a good enough job of wearing actual Smart Shooters merch in my videos, but I promise you that's gonna change. Buying merch helps the channel run. You guys want to see more reviews. You guys want to see more honest reviews, stuff that companies didn't pay me to say that the gun was good. I need that support, all right? The link is in the description below. Go buy some Smart Shooters merch, order a hoodie, order a hat. Every little bit helps. I'm finna get one more quick magazine in and hit the gun store. I'll see you all next video. Peace. Could have shot it faster, but my trigger finger is frozen. Make sure y'all subscribe. I be out here putting in work. It's cold.